Hello students, today I'm going to explain what you're going to do for your redesign object project. So you can see here I have an example. This is a student example from a couple years ago, and you're going to hopefully be able to complete your drawing on this worksheet. So you can see that this is just a scanned image of a worksheet that you're going to complete your drawing on. So make sure you put your name at the top, and it says redesign object. Use your creativity to redesign an object. How could you make it better? What could you add to it? How could you make it look better? Some examples of redesigned objects are a self-writing pen, a flying car, a 3D computer. Create your own design for a new object and draw the design in the box below. Color your design and give your new object a name. So I'm going to scroll down to this here, and I have done my own drawing of a flying car. So you don't have to draw a flying car. You can redesign any type of object that you want. I just chose to redesign a car and to make it different by giving it flying capabilities. So you can see that I drew two examples to show that it can do both. It can drive on the road and it can fly in the sky. So what we're doing is we're using our drawing skills and our creativity to make a new object. So what you're going to do is you're going to draw whatever your object is here. You're going to color it, and I also want you to maybe label some of the things there, because if it's really different, I might not be able to tell exactly what it is without some labeling. So you can see that I have drive on the road above this one because it's on the road, and then fly in the sky. So we can go from the road to the sky. And you can see that I've also added that the tires are also propellers. So whenever it's on the road, they're tires and they work the way normal tires do. But whenever you switch it to the sky, they lift up and turn into propellers. You'll also notice that I have this little propeller on the top. It helps to add a little bit of a background depending on what object you've used to help explain what's going on. So you can see more clearly that this car is going from the ground, driving on the ground, to the sky by the background that I've added. So I want you to use your creativity. You can come up with something completely new. You can maybe let some of my examples in the instructions above help you figure out what you want to do. You'll notice that I just titled mine Flying Car at the top, but you can probably come up with a better name than that. But I do want you to make sure that you color it completely and label it and have a title. In your artist statement that you do after you complete your drawing, that's where you're going to explain to me all the things about your project. So not only do I want you to label here, but later when you do your artist statement, you'll explain what it is, why you decided to design it that way, why did you want to make it look that way, what exactly does it do, and things like that. So go ahead and get drawing.